Sitting between the XH and XT series of cameras, the brand new X-S10 steals all the latest features seen in the higher ranked cameras, but tailors them into a new portable and smaller design. Weighing in at just 465 grams and being almost 10mm shorter in both height and width than the X-T4. Thanks to a large deep grip, the X-S10 fits comfortably and securely in your hands and will feel well paired with a telephoto lens. Adopting the more commonly seen PASM mode dial on top sees a fairly big step away from the normal shutter and ISO control dial found on top of the current X series cameras. The X-S10 is in no way steering the Fujifilm system away from that more manual control, but instead allowing users who may have previously been put off that level of control and giving them an easier and more intuitive handling. Inside we find the 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 APS-C size sensor that's coupled with the quad-core X processor 4, which leaves you with clear, large res images, even when shooting in low-lit environments or fast-moving subjects. Capable of capturing 20 frames per second when shooting with the electronic shutter, or 8 frames per second with the mechanical, the X-S10 is able to keep up with your action-style photography. Being that much smaller, Fujifilm had to create a newly developed stabilization system, giving you 5-axis 6-stop compensation, all in body. Helping to keep your images and content sharp is the super quick 0.02 second phase detection AF system that covers a massive 100% of the imaging area. The autofocus's performance has also been enhanced to give better subject tracking along with better face and IAF. Selecting your focus area is a breeze thanks to either using the multi-control joystick on the back, much like the higher level cameras have, or you can just simply tap the 3-inch touch LCD screen. Switch the dial to video mode or use the dedicated record button to shoot non-crop footage up to 4K in 24, 25 and 30p. Internally, this is recorded at 420 8-bit colour profile, and if you want to step this up to a higher level, say 422 10-bit, all you need to do is hook up the X-S10 to an external recorder via the HDMI located on the side. If slow-mo is more your thing, then you can shoot in Full HD up to 240p, resulting in a shot that's 10 times slower than normal. And we should also note the addition of the 3.5mm microphone port and the USB-C adapter for headphones that's included in the box. A couple of nice features include F-log profile, allowing you to get the most from your footage if colour grading or matching content to another camera in post, along with a customisable movie mode menu and the way the record timer counts up whilst filming rather than down, letting you know how long each of your clips are in length. Fujifilm being well known for their pre-installed colour modes, the X-S10 has 18 film simulations found within your setup, making it perfect for anyone wanting to get creative without the need for post-processing or colour grading. To aid your selection through the array of different simulations, Fujifilm has created a brand new graphic interface, giving you a little more information on your selected profile before you start shooting. Connectivity comes in the form of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth that allows you to link the X-S10 up to the Fujifilm Camera Remote app, so you can take control wirelessly and also transfer your content to a smart device ready to share. Along with this, the X-S10 is also compatible with Fujifilm's X-Webcam 2 software, allowing you to break free from that basic built-in webcam and stream using the X-S10, giving you far better control over your image quality, depth of field and colours. The X-S10 offers stills photographers and content creators who have no experience of the current Fujifilm systems an easy, familiar and fairly intuitive layout to get started with. Enhancements to the auto modes resulting in better performance, along with all those great features we love from Fuji, like their in-body stabilization, high quality images and videos, the film simulation and over 35 lenses to choose from. The X-S10 is definitely something to check out if you're stepping into the world of interchangeable lens photography. If you'd like any more information, please check out the link below or head into your local London Camera Exchange.